Ever walk into your laundry room and instantly feel stressed? You're not alone. Laundry rooms often turn into clutter zones, but it doesn't have to be that way. With a few smart storage moves, even the tiniest space can become a calm, efficient, and stylish haven. Let's reimagine your laundry room, one thoughtful tip at a time. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What storage essentials do I really need in a laundry room? Focus on the tools you use most. Detergents, stain removers, dryer sheets, a laundry basket, and a few sorting bins. Add a container for lost socks or buttons. By only keeping what's necessary and grouping like items, you'll streamline both your space and your routine. Love simpler routines? Try trimming your laundry tools today. What's a good lighting setup for a laundry room? A bright ceiling light is essential, but task lighting like LED strips under cabinets helps with folding and sorting. If there's no window, use mirrors to bounce light and make the room feel bigger. Soft, layered lighting can turn utility into comfort. Need better light? Brighten your space for a better vibe. What are some storage ideas for laundry supplies? Use clear bins, drawer organizers, and tiered shelf risers to make items visible and easy to access. Store frequently used items at eye level. For small tools, try magnetic strips or small pegboards. Every little item deserves a tidy, reachable spot. Love practical solutions? Test one of these smart ideas today. What are some clever ways to sort laundry? Use labeled hampers or bins, whites, darks, delicates. Pull-out drawers or hanging bag systems also work great. Built-in sorters hide mess and make pre-sorting a breeze. When everything has a spot, it saves time and avoids mix-ups, especially helpful in busy households. Love smoother routines? Add a sorting system today. Should I choose open or closed storage? Open shelves keep daily essentials easy to reach and make the room feel open, but they require tidiness. Closed cabinets are perfect for hiding clutter or storing backups. A combination of both offers function and flexibility. Pretty jars on open shelves, extras tucked behind doors. Finding the balance? Try mixing storage styles this week. How do I keep the laundry room smelling fresh? Good airflow is key. Open a window, use a fan, or install a vent. Add baking soda near the washer, essential oil sachets in drawers, or a diffuser for a gentle scent. Clean your washer monthly to prevent buildup and odors. A fresh-smelling room lifts your mood. Craving a fresher space? Try a scent boost this week. How can I maximize a small laundry room space? Small laundry rooms thrive with vertical storage. Install wall-mounted shelves or cabinets above your washer and dryer. Use slim rolling carts between appliances, and don't forget the back of the door, great for hanging racks or organizers. Every inch counts, especially in tight spaces. Check your walls. There's hidden space waiting to be used. How can I make my laundry room feel less cluttered? Clear the clutter by removing duplicates and sorting items into labeled bins or baskets. Use trays, canisters, and drawer dividers to group similar things. Add hooks for hanging tools or bags. An organized setup not only saves time, it also makes the space visually peaceful. Enjoy a tidy space? Try a 10-minute declutter today. How can I make laundry feel like less of a chore? Personalize your space. Play music with a Bluetooth speaker, hang art you love, or write notes on a mini chalkboard. When your laundry room feels welcoming, it becomes part of your home, not just a task zone. A little personality goes a long way. Laundry doesn't have to be dull. Add joy to the routine today. How can I create a folding station in a small space? Try a countertop over front-load machines or a wall-mounted fold-down table. Even a pull-out shelf works in a pinch. Folding stations don't have to be big, they just need to be handy. Bonus, add a basket or two nearby for quick sorting as you fold. Short on space? Install a mini folding spot this weekend. Can I add style without sacrificing function? Definitely. Style and function go hand in hand. Choose coordinating bins or jars, a patterned rug, or decorative wall hooks. Even practical pieces like hampers or detergent containers can be chic. A little design love turns a basic laundry space into a feel-good zone. Inspired to elevate your space? Start with one pretty upgrade. Laundry rooms might be functional, but they can also be fabulous. Whether you're in a tiny nook or a full-sized room, smart storage can bring calm, order, and even joy to your routine. Which idea will you try first?